Hello everyone! Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn one of the most important concepts in Python programming, flow control. Flow control determines the order in which your program executes different statements and helps your program make intelligent decisions. We'll explore how Python uses conditions to decide whether to execute a block of code, choose between multiple options, and even simplify decision-making using modern Python features. Let's begin. Every Python program executes line by default. However, real-world programs need to make decisions based on different situations. This is where conditional statements come into play. Python evaluates a condition that results in either true or false. If the condition is true, the corresponding code executes. If it's false, Python either skips that block or follows another path. Think of it like a railway junction. The condition acts as the signal that decides which track the program should follow. This ability to make decisions is what makes programs interactive and intelligent. The simplest decision-making statement in Python is the if statement. It executes a block of code only when the specified condition is true. For example, if a person's age is greater than or equal to 18, the program prints eligible to vote. If the condition isn't satisfied, nothing happens. Notice the indentation in Python. Instead of braces, Python uses proper indentation to define which statements belong to the if block. Clean indentation is not just good practice, it's required for Python programs to work correctly. Sometimes, we need the program to perform one action if a condition is true, and another action if it's false. That's where the if-else statement is used. For example, if someone's age is 12 or older, the program prints pay for ticket. Otherwise, it prints travel for free. No matter what happens, exactly one of these two blocks will execute. The if-else statement ensures that every possible outcome is handled clearly and efficiently. Often, we need to check more than two possibilities. Instead of writing multiple separate if statements, Python provides the if-elif-else structure. Python checks each condition one by one from top to bottom. As soon as one condition becomes true, its corresponding block executes, and the remaining conditions are skipped. For example, a person's age can determine whether they are classified as a child, teenager, young adult, or adult. This structure keeps decision-making organized and easy to understand. Sometimes, a second condition should only be checked after the first condition is true. This is known as a nested if statement. Imagine checking whether someone is a registered member first. Only if they are a member do we check their age to determine whether they qualify for a senior citizen discount. Nested if statements are useful whenever one decision depends on another. However, they should be used carefully because too many nested conditions can make the code difficult to read. Python is well known for its clean and readable syntax. When a condition is simple, Python allows us to write it in a shorter form, using the shorthand if statement. Python also provides the ternary operator, which lets us assign one of two values based on a condition in just a single line. For example, instead of writing a complete if-else block, we can directly assign adult or minor, depending on the person's age. These shortcuts make code more compact, while keeping it easy to read. One of the modern features introduced in Python 3.10 is match case, also called structural pattern matching. It works similarly to the switch statement found in other programming languages, but is more powerful and flexible. Instead of checking many if-elif conditions, match case compares a value against multiple possible cases. For example, if the number is 1, one message is displayed. If it's 2 or 3, another message is shown. If none of the cases match, the default case executes. This makes programs cleaner when handling many different options. Each flow control statement has its own purpose. Use if when you only need to check a single condition. Use if-else when there are exactly two possible outcomes. Use if-elif-else when comparing multiple conditions. Use the ternary operator for short and simple value assignments. And use match case when comparing one value against many different possibilities. Choosing the right structure improves both readability and program efficiency. Let's summarize everything we've learned. Flow control is the decision-making system of every Python program. The if statement handles single conditions, if-else manages two possible outcomes, if-elif-else supports multiple conditions, nested if handles dependent decisions, shorthand if and the ternary operator simplify simple logic, and match case provides an elegant solution for handling multiple fixed cases. Mastering these concepts will help you write programs that are cleaner, smarter, and easier to maintain. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you understand Python flow control more clearly. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Python programming tutorials.